मैं तो सुपरमैन सलमान का फैन जो ले।
आज वरुण ने एक इवेंट में भी कहा कि आप दोनों एज अ कपल बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं.
Thanks, Varun.
Varun has an opinion about everything. Varun also did something very fun. मैं गया था मीट एंड ग्रीट के लिए, एक वेबसाइट के लिए, बॉलीवुड हंगामा के मीट एंड ग्रीट के लिए, तो उसने एक वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करके मेरे लिए भेजा था. तो वरुण फनकार आदमी है, वो कुछ ना कुछ करते रहता है. एंड उसका नया गाना आज आया जो मैंने उसे मैसेज भी किया है. उसने फ़ोन देखा नहीं अभी तक, बट आई थिंक ही मेक्स अ वेरी गुड कपल विद ऑल द अदर co-stars that he also works with.
Thank you.
Arjun, you have done films like Ishaq Zadeh, and here also we are seeing that lovers who are running away and trying to prove their love, basically. Recently, okay, fine. Okay, no.
See the trailer, then you can ask as many questions.
Okay, I'm talking about Ishaq Zadeh. I'm talking about a Hindu-Muslim. Recently, we have also seen a campaign which has been put together against love for jihad. It says that Hindu girls who have married Muslim men should come to this organization, Hindu organization, and transfer into Hinduism again. So things like this. And Kareena Kapoor's face has been put on it as a campaign without her permission. What do you think about such things and how Bollywood is always a target?
Firstly, Kareena's been allowed to sue them if she likes. That's something I also read up on. Saif wrote something very interesting a few months back, which I really appreciated. See, it's a democracy. India's a democracy. You have a right to do what you want. You guys have a right to an opinion. We have a right to an opinion. People have a right to an opinion, but that does not mean you can enforce anything on anyone. Love is the most beautiful thing in the world. It brings people together. And nobody should dictate terms, norms, and it goes beyond faith, belief, religion. Love is the purest thing that brings all this together. Anything that was formed, even if it's religion, it preaches only love. So why would you have any bhedbhav, jo hum kehte hain? Why should you have that? I think we are in 2015. Yeah, we should have a maturity and a sensibility. At the end of the day, people should love purely and honestly. Nothing else matters. Nobody sees what their background is up. Ration card dekh ke to pyar nahi karte kisi se na.
I actually agree with him. He said everything very well, and I absolutely agree with whatever he had to say.
अच्छा अर्जुन, रिसेंटली एक इंटरव्यू में आपने कहा था कि यू आर गोइंग टू स्लो डाउन आफ्टर तेवर. तो कुछ खास गिने चुने फिल्में आप करने वाले हैं या ऐसे ही रोमांटिक? स्लो
डाउन मतलब क्या है, हर पिक्चर में इतना भागा हूं ना. मैं बचपन में करण अर्जुन देखी थी, उसमें भाग अर्जुन भाग सुना था, तब से भाग ही रहा हूँ, काम किए जा रहा हूँ पिछले 2-2.5 साल से. तो स्लो डाउन मेरा मतलब था कि अब see, an actor always wants to do selective work and concentrate one film at a time. What I meant is I would like to do one film at a time and put all my effort into it. जैसे पिछले साल, because I'm a new actor, I could not plan Tevar shooting and the promotion of Gunde, Two States and Fanny. So I kept doing, I shot Tevar, promoted Gunde, shot Tevar, promoted Two States, shot Tevar, promoted Finding Fanny, then shot for Tevar again. It's very tiring. That's all I meant was I'm going to slow down in the sense, plan things better that I can focus on one film at a time, then promote that film and hopefully be able to shoot the other film after that. I don't intend to stop signing films or slow down from the amount of work that I do, but plan it better so I can channelize my energy in the most correct way and give 200% to every film.
Okay, so any other plans with Boney Kapoor sir after this?
I would love to, yeah. But at this point of time, let's reach Friday first. That's most important. I love my father. He's one of the greatest producers this country has ever seen. What he has given us, I won't even say me, what he's given all of us, a new director, a young star cast. He's given us scale that you can't even imagine. I mean, it takes years to get that kind of scale in a film. What he's presented us as, it's very, 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 you feel very small when you see the film on the big screen. So I'm really happy that I've been able to work with him, and I look forward to working with him again. आजा, तुझे नाचना था ना, डांस डांस आना डांस. नहीं, ये आपके पास सुपरमैन वाला गाना होगा? कहाँ है? नाचेगा?
Fantastic. So, is there any one gadget that you think is very Teverific? How is your experience at the Reliance Digital Store today?
We've only experienced this area. And them we meet all the time. So the experience has been like always ghar ka mahal lag raha hai abhi.
Fantastic.
No, but it's a fantastic store here. It's a one-stop shop for anything anybody needs where technology is concerned. So fantastic. We're happy to be here. And I'm sure the media will utilize and purchase something or the other for sure. Sir, इतना भड़क क्यों है? कौन खड़ा हुआ? किसकी मजाल? ओहो, मैडम, क्यों खड़ी हुई आप?
Sonakshi, what do you have to say?
Yeah, it's a one-stop shop for everything, and I'd like to have a go around, but then when these guys are not there, I'll be able to manage that. But yeah, I'm fond of gadgets. I don't leave my house without my iPad, my iPhone, and stuff like that. So yeah, I mean, I think I really have a good time spending more time here.